where is the future of organic synthesis heading is, I think, the sense that you're asking. And I wish I knew. It turns out that it's different. I think one of the problems is that sometimes we as a discipline make it sound that it's so easy. You got some kind of rather complex molecule that you want to synthesize, and there are a lot of tools out there, and given enough time and enough money and enough personnel, everything is possible. And I think we convey that image to each other. But the reality is that if you go through in a more systematic fashion, what has actually occurred, there's a lot of failure. You really have to be strong. You have to put up with a lot of negativism in a research career. And organic synthesis has evolved from its early days where the molecules were relatively small and there were just a handful of people being able to put together such complexity, to these days where you get a first-year assistant professor who's taking on some incredibly horrific molecule because he's convinced that the discipline has allowed him to do that. So simply making molecules, of course, isn't really the solution. I think where the future is to sort of link it with something that's of importance, whether it be in the biological community or the materials or just doing some novel science and using synthesis as a method to probe excellence.